Artificial intelligence is changing everything. Jobs are shifting. Skills are becoming outdated. Entire industries are evolving faster than ever before. And if you're honest, part of you feels uncertain, maybe even afraid. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. You will be fine. Not because change isn't real, it is, but because humans have always adapted. Every technological revolution in history created fear before it created opportunity. The printing press, the Industrial Revolution, the internet, all of them disrupted the world. And every time, the people who learned, adapted, and stayed disciplined thrived. AI will not replace strong minds. It will replace passive ones. It will not eliminate ambition. It will eliminate laziness. The modern world is not punishing intelligence. It is rewarding adaptability. The men who win in this era are not the strongest physically, but the most flexible mentally. They learn new skills. They stay curious. They build problem-solving ability. They control their attention. They use technology instead of being consumed by it. Fear comes from uncertainty, but uncertainty is just the space before growth. You don't need to compete with machines. You need to become irreplaceable in ways machines can't. Discipline, creativity, emotional control, leadership, adaptability. AI can process data. It cannot replace character. It cannot replace resilience. It cannot replace human judgment under pressure. The future does not belong to those who panic. It belongs to those who prepare. Instead of fearing AI, master it. Use it. Learn it. Let it amplify your strengths. The world is changing, yes, but change has always rewarded the prepared. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You need to be the one who keeps evolving. And if you stay disciplined, adaptable, and focused, you will not be replaced. You will rise.